So the last time you saw us in San Francisco, we went and did some street tours, saw the Alcatraz little island, everything like that. Then we picked up our little hire car, say little, nice V8, and basically drove over the Golden Gate Bridge, which is really cool. This time, though, we're going to Yosemite and Las Vegas.
Oh, yeah? We're going to go over the big bridge, aren't we?
Going over the big bridge.
The Bay Bridge. Yeah.
And it looks like traffic coming into San Fran is on the top deck, and going out, you kind of cheap seats, you're on the lower deck.
Lower deck.
So that means we've got to do what looks to be like 2 miles of bridge on the lower deck.
Yeah. Not as impressive as we thought, but see you on the other side.
Yeah.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a
We'll walk through the woods. We could be at Delamere, really, for all you know. It's that pretty until you do that. That's all kinds of wow. Look at that. Oh yeah.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so.
Well, good morning. We are back in the car again. We went through Yosemite yesterday, which was amazing. Loads of breathtaking, wow type views along the way. Got to the hotel. We're incredibly tired. We just popped to the little on-site restaurant and had some tea.
Didn't finish it because we were so tired.
Yeah, we didn't even finish the entire meal, which anybody that knows us knows that is so unlike us. It was really nice, but head back to the room, just backed up all the media stuff for the day and went to sleep. So after a bit of work this morning, and a lovely free breakfast with biscuits and gravy, baby.
Yeah, white gravy.
Yeah, I love that American, the white gravy, dead peppery. We are now in the car again, back driving through the mountains on our way to Las Vegas. So we will catch up with you when we get there. See you later.
So, Edwards Air Force Base,
Yes.
which is B-52 behind us, and we've just been to SpaceX and saw their launch aircraft as well. But Mandy wants to tell you a little story about this, something to do with Will Smith.
So yeah, Will Smith brought the alien here in Independence Day, so we had to come see it. It's a lot of desert around, so yeah, Edwards Air Force Base, baby.
Cool. off and onwards to
Vegas.
Vegas.
Once in a lifetime, heart and soul, take it all. You can't cross my line if it's undefined. I'll define it all.
So, we've just left Las Vegas.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby. So it was massive and bright and loud and
Busy.
And a big shocker from coming from Yosemite. It was just
Yeah.
nice and quiet. It was like, oh,
And everyone wanted to tell you sex.
yeah, lots of sex, which was weird, and lots of pictures with scantily clad ladies.
Yeah.
And snakes.
Oh, God.
And
the
John hates snakes. Oh, yeah.
Snake walking down the street. Who does that?
Yeah.
And naked women walking down the street as well.
Yeah.
Well,
Painted
Painted naked
naked ladies.
That's a bit odd, that one.
So, but we've had some really good food, and we saw the fountains of the Bellagio.
Yeah.
So that was all really good. So we just stopped off to see the Las Vegas sign. We got so carried away with everything because it's just everything's on top of one another. Didn't do any vlogging at all as we're walking
I think
around.
we had a few 2 beers at the end of the night.
Well, yeah,
so-
having a 2-day stopover, we kind of treated ourselves a little bit some beer.
Yeah.
So that was it was really good.
It was.
I think we saw everything that we needed to see.
Yeah.
We couldn't find that wheel. We could see it from behind.
Yeah, we got lost a
Figure
little
out.
bit. It's because it was called, what was it called? The Wheel of Fortune?
It was the Grand Slam
No.
something.
Yeah, something anyway. It was called
Yeah.
something. Saw signs for it.
High
And,
roller.
High roller, yeah.
The high roller.
And we thought it was just a casino, so we ignored all the
so-
signs.
Yeah, which was fun.
Yeah.
But we didn't get to do that.
But it is weird though, I think, that it's this massive big kind of playground in the desert surrounded by mountains.
yeah.
And that's all it is.
And then a little airport plonked at the end,
Yeah.
which is weird as well.
But yeah, good time had by all.
Yep.
And
And John's found his favourite new food. Baked
Oh,
potato soup
yeah.
at Outback
oh,
Steakhouse.
that was fantastic.
Yeah. Oh, that was really nice soup.
Yeah.
So, yeah. We are all about the food, as you know.
Oh yes.
So we're leaving now.
On our way to the Hoover Dam.
Yep. So Hoover Dam and Las Vegas Skywalk
This-
on the way.
No, the Grand Canyon Skywalk.
Grand Canyon. No, not the Las Vegas Skywalk. No. And the Grand Canyon Skywalk
Yeah.
on the way to our next stop in Yosemite.
Yeah, something like
Yeah.
that. Cool. Lot of driving then. Let's carry on.
Yeah. To the Grand Canyon Skywalk. We've just been to the Hoover Dam, which was smaller than I thought it was going to be, but it was very good, wasn't it? Very cool, amazing. And we are driving through some amazing scenery and bits that look like you're already in the Grand Canyon. It's just
Proper Wild West kind of scenery.
yeah, and these little villages and things at the side of the road that really does look like something out of a Wild West film. And it's fantastic. This might outwow the Alps. So yeah, we'll catch up to you when we get to Grand Canyon Village. Bye.
So that really wasn't as good as we thought, was it?
Nope. unfortunately.
It was one of those places where they crowd you all into one area and herd you into little shuttle buses and then take you down somewhere and charge you money without you knowing how you're being charged. And organisation. You can't do anything without them telling you where you can go and what you can do.
And it's packed.
And it was absolutely rammed as well, considering. So, we're just going to wait until where we go tonight because there's loads of places where we can just go and
after
walk.
1 mile, turn left.
Going left in a minute.
Yeah.
There's loads of places near the hotel we're staying at tonight where we can just go and walk to the edge and look over.
Yep.
So all I would say is if you're anyone thinking of going to the Skywalk, don't bother.
Unless you like that kind of thing,
Yeah.
of course. But it's taken us 2.5 hours out of the way to drive through the most beautiful country, of course. But a little bit of an unneeded detour. So great.
Felt like a theme park, that you're going to a theme park.
At the end of the road, turn left.
Yeah, it wasn't good. So onwards and upwards.
Yep.
Grand Canyon, here we come.
Wow! That's amazing! Went through a twister!
Right, so we've just been driving along. We've just come off the highway, but we drove through a dust devil, those little dust tornado things. You could see it kicking up some dust at the side of the road, and it's like, oh, that's coming towards the road. And it did, and we got buffeted out of it, but we were recording at the time, so hopefully that's come out well, and you can see what it was like. I got a little bit overexcited because it was exciting.
It was cool.
So we're about just under an hour away from the hotel in Tucson, I think it is.
Something like that,
and we're just going to get some gas and get some food and go to bed because today's been a very long day.
Download all the content as well.
So I'll have a nap.
So far we're at 300 gig.
Yeah, 300 gig. And we hit the 1,000 miles marker today.
Yep.
So that's good plodding on for the journey anyway. And we can't wait for our big day tomorrow with the Grand Canyon.
Yeah.
So we're going to go and hopefully follow the East Rim up out of Tucson.
Yeah.
So we'll get to see the views at a few different places hopefully. So looking forward to that a lot.
Yeah.